Hi, beautiful people. Thank you for tuning in. My name is Lucy, and today we are just gonna talk about apples quickly. So, what to do with them if you are really short of time? You can make nice apple crisps and basically dry them and save it for later. You can use it in winter time. So, I've got a couple of red apples. I sliced them thinly on mandolin. And then I just put them in the oven on really low setting and leave the door ajar and just keep watching until they are nice and crispy. I've got also dehydrator, so you can use dehydrator, but I am doing something else. I am drying some elderberries in dehydrator, so it's quite busy. That's why I'm gonna use oven. And here you have it. Wonderful, tasty and healthy apple crisps. I soaked them in vitamin C powder. I didn't have any lemon at home, so this is ascorbic acid powder. And as you can see, it has nice, wonderful red color. So basically, I use it as a drink. It's just vitamin C with some apples. And yeah, there was no waste and loads of lovely red color. And let me know in the comments below if you are gonna give it a try and if you are gonna use any flavors. Some of them I left plain, and for some of them I use cinnamon powder. So it's up to you if you wanna flavor it with something. So I am curious to know what is your favorite combination. Thank you so much for tuning in. Bye until next time.